Raya lived in a quaint coastal settlement where the air carried the scent of salt, and life was a delicate balance of survival and joy. Her family, though not wealthy, was known for their generosity. Rhea had inherited her parents' warm heart, but her own heart harbored a secret, a dream of living a life filled with riches and grandeur. One day, while wandering along the shore, Rhea stumbled upon something unusual, a gleaming golden chest partially buried in the sand. With trembling hands, she opened it to reveal a treasure trove of dazzling jewels, gold coins, and sparkling diamonds. Her heart raced with excitement. She could finally live the life of luxury she had always imagined. But as she stood there, a thought crept into her mind. What if this treasure didn't belong to her? The idea gnawed at her as she carried the chest home. That night, she couldn't sleep. The treasure's beauty was undeniable, but so was her unease. The next morning, Rhea decided to consult her best friend, Kavi, who was known for his wisdom despite his simple lifestyle. After listening to her story, Kavi smiled and said, "Riches can bring comfort, but they cannot fill the heart. Sharing what you have is the greatest treasure of all." Rhea wasn't convinced. "But Kavi," she argued, "I could use this treasure to help my family and live a better life." Kavi nodded. "That's true. But think beyond yourself. What if this treasure could light up the lives of many, not just yours?" Rhea mulled over his words. Instead of hoarding the wealth, she made a bold decision. She would use the treasure for the good of her community. She called a meeting with the villagers and revealed the chest. Gasps filled the air as the sun glinted off the gold. "I found this treasure," Rhea began, "but I believe it belongs to all of us. Let's use it to fix the things that matter most: our school, the fishing nets, the roofs over our heads." The villagers were moved by her generosity. Together they decided how to distribute the wealth fairly. Some of the treasure was used to build a new schoolhouse, complete with books and supplies for the children. Fishermen received new nets to improve their catches, and families repaired their homes. Rhea's selfless act didn't go unnoticed. Word spread to neighboring settlements, inspiring others to focus on the value of sharing over material greed. As the settlement prospered, Rhea felt a sense of fulfillment she had never known before. Years passed, and though the gold was gone, the changes it had brought remained. The settlement grew stronger, the people closer, and Rhea became a symbol of love and generosity. One evening, as she sat by the shore watching the waves, Kavi joined her. "Do you miss the treasure?" he asked with a smile. Rhea laughed softly. "Not at all. I have something far more valuable now, a community bound by love and trust. That's a treasure no gold could ever buy." Moral of the story: love is not about property, diamonds, and gifts. It is about sharing your very self with the world around you.